Hold on, guys. Maybe I got something. Hold on. Window base. Go right there. And then we go to front. And now we go to. Okay. Hi, everyone. So we are gonna be playing some Roblox. So today we're gonna play some Roblox. Go play some Roblox today, guys. So we're gonna play some Roblox. So I'll play this in the third channel. It's gonna be up right now. It's released. So I'm gonna play the other one. So let's play. I wish we play Piggy. Play Piggy actually, because we're playing Piggy today. So playing Piggy actually. Piggy is a creepy art by Pebble Pig. You can go Pebble Pig to 301. There is kind of material. There's kind of material of this. It just came down. I came down on here. It came down today. I got a headset actually, you know guys. I just got a headset. I'm gonna go to Pebble Pig's house. Go Pebble Pig's house. I never do this before, but so and hit that subscribe button and hit that subscribe button and hit that collection bell and this video big thumbs up. So we're gonna play some Piggy. I know we're playing Piggy right now. We're playing some Piggy today. Play some Piggy today. So we're playing some Piggy or something. Playing Piggy or something else or nothing actually else. So you're in this. Okay, hello guys. So we're back gonna play Piggy. Since the monster is watching you. So that means the monster is watching you. It's play, guys. Oh my gosh, guys. Looks so cool. This is Peppa Pig's work. Oh my gosh. I've seen this before. This is paperwork, and all that stuff. Oh my gosh. What do I need? Coal bars. Okay, we go down here. Okay, we're going down here. Get around here somewhere. Oh my gosh, what's this? Oh! I don't know what that is, but okay. Okay, guys. Okay. We're in the jail. Look now right there. Now we're gonna play this game. We're gonna play. We're gonna play. Oh my else. Play my channel. Actually, my channel doing the third channel today. So it's nighttime, so I'm gonna do it at nighttime sometimes. We're gonna go Defana tomorrow, so maybe you could see some Mexican videos on my other channel. On my dad's phone, you always watch Chris Jr. Fun. It's for me, so I have to post other videos too. So I didn't have this video up. I'm gonna put this video up soon. The other video is gonna be up soon. I'm gonna play DJ Marshmallow. Play DJ Marshmallow. It's cool. Why? It's my favorite show. My favorite show. You see him right there. See him actually right there. Going in here. I'm playing music or anything. Let's put on this marshmallow helmet. You guys hear me, guys? Okay, this is too loud, guys. This is too loud. Okay. Sorry about that. That was too loud. So we're gonna go back to what's it called? We're gonna go back to gonna play maybe some of this. Piggy. Let's play some piggy. Play some piggy. Play some piggy. Play some piggy, guys. You know you play piggy. Comment down below you play piggy. So we're gonna play some piggy. Play piggy. Okay, I'm here. Okay. I'm just here. Oh wait, is that piggy right there? Hello? Is that piggy? Oh my gosh. That just scared me crap out of me. We're here actually. Oh my gosh, someone's there. Oh my gosh. Why he seed me by accident, guys? That's so weird, guys. That's so weird. Guys, that's so weird. I was here, right here, 2019, Super War. So war. Not good, guys. Not good. This takes so long, guys. So, gonna go right here. Now I'm gonna go right here. And so we're gonna go right here. And I'm gonna go to this. I wanna play actually. I'll show you. I wanna play this. Actually gonna play this, so we play this. Actually gonna play this. We're actually gonna play this time, so we're gonna play this time, guys. We're gonna play this time. Nothing else. We're gonna play this time. Okay? Play this next time. Okay? Play it. Playing it right now, so playing it right now. Actually, I run headphones, so you are hearing the headset. You say it's so satisfying. I go right there. Teenagers are gonna. DJ, okay. Damn DJ CJ 1414. So maybe you can see some DJ vlogs. You can actually see DJ vlogs. Actually, you can see some DJ vlogs. You can actually see some DJ vlogs this time. You also say you see some DJ vlogs. You actually can say. Going over here already, guys. We're gonna go inside the entrance. And now the snake checked me in. So checked me in, and here, gonna go in here. Maybe it's gonna be sending music. Hello? Okay, it's cool, but it's not cool, but it's cool. Look at this. God, it's going over here. Everything is here on sale. Everything is there for sale. Look at this, guys. It's so cool. Why? It's so cool. So cool. Why, guys? It's so cool of you doing. It's morning already. See people over here. You can go store shop. You guys can go here actually. You're going all the way up here and see what there's are right here. You see a banana? Actually, two banana. Have you seen that before? Two banana. That's cool. That's fun. A putting butt cheeks in his butt and then putting crackers inside his butthole. That's a joke, right? Is that a joke? Comment down below, is that a joke? That's funny, guys. That's cool, but it's cool. Hold up. Oh, you're playing this. Okay. This is Smasher? Okay. Listen. This is over there. I'm gonna go over here. Oh my god, there's a big line. Just a big horn circle. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is so giant, guys. It's a giant line. Over here for the thing. That thing right there, the museum. It takes a long time. Oh my gosh, we're almost there. Almost there. This is a fast line. Yeah, this time it was not a fast line. Like, guys, so amazing or something. Okay. What's in here? Oh! Let me go! Oh, I'm going. Kinda going. Oh, okay. I can go here. I can go here. I can go here. Move it. Boom, okay. Teaching everyone gonna play something. First thing, thank you. Move this, move that. Okay. That's really fun. Okay. James Shovels is someone. This creepy and come on say Mr. Beast's video and say go and look inside the teapot and say it says James Shovels in there. It's like, what the James Shovels? There's no James Shovels. There's no James Shovels. I don't know about James Shovels. Okay. I don't think my mom didn't know James Shovels. I don't think they're okay, so I don't know what. Say, what is the American speak? What is American speak? What is the American speak, guys? What is the American speak? What is the American speak, guys? What goes it back there? Take us there. Go on there. Go. Take the white. Moving? Oh, moving. I'm moving! Yay! Okay, we're moving. We're not landing yet. This is a land. This is a land, guys. Land, guys. Nah, nah. Nah. Put your hands up. Where's it? Okay. Whee! Going up. My head is missing. Okay, we're going up. Whee! Oh my gosh. It is funny. And oh my gosh. That's cool, right? Okay, we're gonna go. Oh my gosh. We're gonna take a picture. Oh, this takes a long time, guys. Okay. Go make juniors 301. Make juniors 301. I told you guys. Make juniors 301. Okay, going right there. We're going right there, actually. Well, we're going in the end already. Okay, we're jumping out. Oh, where are we at? Okay, we're end of it. Is that the end? Okay. We're gonna go otherwise. Guys. We're gonna go, well, okay. Okay, so